A for ant. B for ball. C for camel. D for doll. E for egg. A for fox. G for goat. H for house. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for penguin, peacock. Q for queen. R for rat. S for snake. T for tree.